Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Voyage Aeronautics drone. First, ensure your drone's battery is fully charged. This usually takes about 60 minutes. Next, carefully attach the propeller guards to protect the blades during initial flights. Finally, download the official Voyage Aeronautics application from your device's app store. This app is crucial for controlling your drone and accessing its features. Now, let's get your drone and controller talking. Power on both your drone and the remote controller. On your smartphone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network broadcast by your drone. It will typically start with Voyage or VA drone. Once connected, open the Voyage Aeronautics app and select the Connect Drone option to establish the link. You should see a live video feed once paired. Before your first flight, calibration is key for stable performance. Place your drone on a flat, level surface and follow the in-app instructions to calibrate the gyroscope. Next, perform the compass calibration by rotating the drone horizontally and vertically as prompted. Always ensure you have a clear, open area, ideally 10 feet by 10 feet, free of obstacles for your initial flight. This helps prevent accidental collisions. Your Voyage Aeronautics drone offers exciting features like altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode for easier orientation. Take time to explore these in the app and practice basic maneuvers in a safe, open space. Remember, consistent practice improves your piloting skills significantly. Also, for other great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.